Hello everyone, welcome back to the PySpark course. In this video we'll see what is local system and what is distributed system. A local system is a computer system which has only access to its own resources. It cannot access any other PC's resources for computation or for storage. In a distributed system, many computers are connected to a single master computer. The master computer can access the resources of the other computers and use it for storage and computation. The processing power of a local system is limited to the processing power of the processor that is used in the local system. In distributed system, we can make use of processing power of multiple computers which are connected to the distributed system. So instead of buying a very expensive single local system with high computation power, we can make use of a cheaper system with low computation power and connect them together and get high computation power. A local machine will use computation power and resource of a single computer. A distributed machine can use computation power and resources of multiple computers. Distributed machine can be scaled easily by adding more computer. And at some point it's easier to scale out to many lower CPU machines than to try to scale out to a single machine with high CPU power. And they also include fault tolerance. If one machine fails, it doesn't affect the other system. In the next video we'll see what is Hadoop and what is Hadoop MapReduce. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.